Good morning kamusika. What's up madlang people? Nandito tayo na naman sa studio sa Monday edition ni Musika Kinayat. So have a great day and belated Happy Valentine's. Kita ni ading
Hello! Watch out! Kamusika! Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, our Instagram, Musika Ken Ayat.
and also our guests.
Our supporters and proprietors.
Say hi.
Hello. Hello everyone. Hello.
And also the three ladies over here in the dressing room.
We're talking about our life. Kasi magka-transfer na kami ng condo. Condo kasi isa na kami ng condo. Apartment 1, apartment 2, apartment 3. Been at home? Yes. Here in Lambot ay Monica Inn. Tig-isa na kami dito ng ano. Yung mga naghahanap pala ng apartment, please, wag po kayong mahihiyang magtanong kung may ride-mate ba ito.
And we are!
Magnificent Seven!
Have a great day!
Happy Monday, everyone! Love you all! Please do like or subscribe our YouTube channel, Musika Ken Ayat Vlog. Please, dumadami na tayo.
Yes.
Bye-bye na po! Have a good day!
Kako'y kuyog mo, di ay ayatin. Oh, say di ay. Second time around. Please, are you Levi? Your executive director. Have a great day, guys. Keep safe always, and God bless. Bye-bye! Good day, kamusika. Nalpas with the 4 hours na live streaming team mo sila Kinayat. So,
Onti pang kadung.
magyaman kami kinirem.
Ay katapos din niya kadung.
So, ito yung buong grupo ng Musika Kinayat. Busy yung mga kasama ko kasi nagpupunta na kami. So, ayan si Mario. Hindi na may larawan ng kanyang muso kasi Toms na sila. Hello. Ashley,
Huwag mo kong kausapin kung ako.
so magpapaalam muna kami for a while kasi kami kakain na, and thanks for all the supporters and to all lahat ng mga blessings na dumarating sa lahat ng mga proprietors ng executive proprietors and followers and one in the Musika Kinayat. Thank you so much na pala may dirag-drag sa akin. Na-inspired kami lahat ng mga ginagawa niyo para sa amin. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye and God bless.